we know many of you are burdened with the high cost when it comes to property insurance here in Colorado. Brett Forrest is tracking some of the latest work across the state to lower some of those premiums.
Yeah, Bree, good morning. So if you're a Colorado homeowner, especially one in the wildland urban interface with wildfires or in Hale Alley, you know the pressures of skyrocketing home insurance costs or the difficulty in even obtaining it. So I sat in on a Colorado Division of Insurance meeting to learn more about what's being done. These meetings do happen intermittently in response to these concerns and in conjunction with state legislation passed in 2023. The Division of Insurance is launching a study to look into the factors affecting these costs and to make potential policy recommendations. So during this week's meeting, new data and research revealed Colorado is the fourth highest home insurance market in the country, with rates rising from about $1,500 on average per year in 2014 to over $3,000 in 2023, surging over $800 since 2020. So the researcher believes a main factor for this is the reinsurance market. That's the insurance that insurance companies have to use on themselves.
So why have reinsurance prices gone through the roof? I think there are a number of reasons. Some are related to inflation and the higher cost of materials and labor when it comes to rebuilding. Some of it is that more and more people are moving into harm's way, and so risk is becoming increasingly concentrated in those areas.
So he continues that high interest rates are another contributing factor. If and when interest rates are finally cut, potentially later this year, that could finally lead to a decrease. Now, all this comes as a Colorado FAIR plan is set to launch sometime next year. That's a plan stemming from legislation to provide property insurance for homeowners and businesses that can't otherwise get it. But Bree, there's caution from the industry that the FAIR plan should be a last resort. The initial plan of operation was submitted to the Division of Insurance this month. Once those details are available, we'll let you know.
It's always one of the biggest pains as a homeowner too, to that insurance. It's so expensive. Shop around. That's my advice to you.